We are evaluating the measures which had been taken by Ministry of Education to mitigate the impact of COVID-19, because they printed materials and then saturated them. So what we did was to look at the accessibility of the materials. Did the material get where they are supposed to be getting? The dynamics, that is the quality of the materials, and then how the participants perceived the materials they had received. We found that the material that were supplied were quite insufficient. There was inadequate supervision, both LOC and the districts, because they are not aware of what was taking place. We were hardly included. And although the materials had been meant for revision, what was being covered in the material had not been studied in classes. So they couldn't revise what they hadn't covered originally. And good enough, the parents and learners appreciated this intervention, that it was timely, at least it bridged a gap which was there. The print material and radio and TV were generally poor according to the parents and then the teachers we inquired from. A large percentage of the learners did not understand what was being covered in the materials that were saturated. So we recommended that, back then that was in the first lockdown, we recommend that there should be capacity building for both those who are managing the process, from the district officials, the teachers who are around, the LOCs, the community, so that it's a communal activity. Also, the use of innovative pedagogy should help in enhancing what is being done, and using e-learning would be very useful, although the penetration in the country is somehow limited. And we think that sensitizing the stakeholders would have helped to improve the absorption and then the use and comprehension of the materials. The material could be improved so that they rhyme with the syllabi and the curriculum, so that the uptake from the students could be much better. That's what we covered in this project.